Greetings, this is Keith from the Traveling Frogman. I'm out here at a place called Sunset Cliff, San Diego, California, and it's 2023. This is my first hike of the year, and I'm actually trying out a new camera that I picked up that I'm going to be taking with me on my 6-month Southeast Asia travel adventure. And this is the GOPRO Hero 11, and it's going to be my primary or backup camera because I currently also have the GOPRO Hero 10. You know, there's an old saying in the teams, 2 is 1 and 1 is none. So I need to have an extra camera in case one, you know what I mean, craps out on me. Although I do carry my Galaxy S20, which is my phone, which takes really good video, but I do like the GoPros, and I'm pretty happy with it. And right now the setting for this camera that I set up yesterday for today's hike is 4K 30 frames per second, and it's set at the linear plus horizon lock. So check it out again, and I will be putting this on YouTube to check the quality after I run it through my video editing software, which is the Final Cut. And if you have any comments on this camera, the GOPRO Hero 11, or any experience on it, please leave your comments below, because I greatly appreciate it, because this is one of the cameras that I'm actually bringing with me to Southeast Asia on my 6-month travel adventure coming up here very shortly. And I'm checking it in depth today, and I also will be checking out throughout the week on various areas to see how it's going to hold up. And so far I'm pretty happy with it. Now the battery has been improved in the Hero 11. It's got this battery called the Enduro battery, and it's supposed to have a longer life. Now I have shot video in 5K, but I decided to stick with 4K because the 5K kind of eats up the battery a little bit faster, and also it takes up a lot of space on your computer. So I'm sticking with the 4K for now. Maybe on a scenario that I would use 5K, but most devices that people watch these videos on are of 4K. So follow me along, and I'm going to be kind of running this camera through the rigors here a little bit, meaning just walking, and we'll see how it goes here at Sunset Cliffs. And this is one of the best places here in San Diego, so check it out right there. Now this is an actual one of the walkways that you can get down to the beach, and right now the tide is out, although it looks like it's coming in. That's a stairway to get down, and you have about a couple surfers out there. Swinging around to the south. Now I'm checking also the stabilization on this Hero 11. Now I don't have my Hero 10 out with me, so I can't really make any type of comparison. But another thing that I'm really concerned about is audio, and I am not using any type of external mic or the media kit. Now I do have a media kit, but I'm trying to keep this camera as low-key as possible, because I don't really like to have a lot of camera showing, especially when I'm going around and vlogging. So here we are, just kind of walking along here, and I do have it at max stabilization. And what better place to try this camera out here than Sunset Cliffs? It's one of the best spots, and it's always beautiful, although it's a little bit cloudy today. And you really got to watch your footing because it goes straight down there. and it's January 2nd actually. I think it's kind of a holiday, but I'm not really sure. And I'll show you the sign here. You can actually see the sign. See the sign right here. That's why you gotta really watch your footing. There you go. Especially with all the rain we have. Oh my gosh. It is like erosion big time. Now actually I'm only traveling with one bag, so I have to have everything on my back. And right now I always keep myself fit, so I carry about 40 pounds on my back right now. So this is that is actually Sunset Cliffs Boulevard right there, and here is the sign right here. That way you got some type of reference. There it is, Sunset Cliffs Natural Park, and there is the parking lot up there. Although I didn't drive here, I actually hiked here. Now we'll actually go down this stairway right here and walk down to the base of it a little bit. Maybe not all the way down, but down to the end right here. I believe I will stop here and continue my hike. I really don't want to go all the way down to the base right now, but this gives you a good view. No, I'm actually, like I said, going on a 6-month travel adventure over to Southeast Asia, and I'm bringing 2 cameras, and I just picked up this Hero 11, and I have it set at 4K 30 frames per second at the standard setting with linear plus locked horizon. So I'm pretty happy with it, and I'm actually bringing my other GoPro, which is a Hero 10. Now there's an old saying, just like I said recently, that 2 is 1, 1 is none. That way if one goes down, at least I have 1 camera to use. Now although I have my Galaxy phone, which does take really good video, I don't really want to depend upon it. And another thing is that I'm actually only traveling on 1 bag, and I have to keep that bag under 25 pounds or 11 kilos. So, minimalist traveler, 6 months travel adventure over to Southeast Asia and doing camera checks, and I'll be doing that throughout the week. And this particular video I will put up on YouTube to check the quality of it. So again, here it is, another shot. I was just coming down the stairway, although I'm going to continue on a little bit further north here at Sunset Cliffs. And there is another shot. Now we'll check the quality down here. Going down the stairs. I'm also checking the stabilization of this GoPro Hero 11, and also the audio, which may be a little bit different due to the noise. Now I do not have my noise muffler on here, which is actually a big foam spot that circles around the camera. So here he is, Sunset Cliff. And there are some folks down here. It is a very cloudy day today. We've had a lot of rain here in San Diego. So Sunset Cliff, San Diego, California.